and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making a copycat recipe, which is Little Caesars pizza puffs. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a quick and easy pizza dough. All you need is some warm water, some active dry yeast, some sugar, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and some all-purpose flour. I will leave the ingredients down below for this quick and easy pizza dough recipe. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add my sugar to my warm water, and I'm just going to mix that up really well until it has dissolved. Then we're going to sprinkle our yeast, and we're going to let it stand until it is foamy. That takes anywhere from 5 to 6 minutes. Once your yeast is ready, we're going to add our oil into our yeast and then our salt. And we're just going to mix that up a little bit. Now we're going to add our yeast mixture to our flour. And we're just going to mix that up with our hand. And we're just going to mix it up until it forms a sticky dough. And then I'm going to turn it out onto the table, and I'm just going to continue to fold in my flour until I have created a sticky round dough. And once that is done, we are going to lightly brush a large bowl with olive oil, and we're going to place our dough inside, and we're going to drizzle a little bit of oil all over our dough, and we're going to cover it with some plastic, and we're going to set it aside in a warm place, and we're going to let it double in size for about an hour. Here our dough is ready. So here I'm deflating my dough, and we have the ingredients for our garlic butter. So for our garlic butter, we have melted unsalted butter, we have parsley, garlic, parmesan, salt, pepper, and oregano. And I have my cheese and my pepperonis, and that we're going to use to assemble our pizza puffs. Here we're making our garlic butter. In a small mixing bowl, we're going to add our parsley with our butter. We're going to add our garlic, our Parmesan cheese. Here we're adding some black pepper. Here we're adding our oregano. And then we're just going to mix in our salt. And once we are finished making our garlic butter, we're going to set this to the side. And we're going to move on to assembling our pizza puffs. Here we're going to brush each cupcake tin with garlic butter. Once we are done with our garlic butter, we're going to divide our pizza dough into small pieces, roughly the size of a small golf ball. We're going to place each dough ball into our cupcake tin. Here I am just stretching my ball out just a little bit. So once it rises, it covers the whole cupcake tin. So once you have placed each dough ball into your cupcake tin, we're going to cover tightly and let it rise in a warm place until it has doubled in size. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once your dough has doubled in size, gently press down the center and shape the edges to form a cup. You want to brush the inside of each cup with more garlic butter. Now we're going to add our marinara sauce. Here we're going to add some cheese. Now we're going to add some pepperoni. I added 2 pepperonis to each cupcake tin. Now we're going to go back in with some more sauce. You can add a little bit or as much as you like if you like yours saucy. And then we're going to go back in with 1 pepperoni. And then we're going to top it with some more cheese. Once we are done with our cheese, we are going to add some Italian seasoning. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of Italian seasoning on the top. You want to bake in the oven for about 15 minutes until golden and bubbly. You want to let them cool for about 5 minutes before serving and enjoy your homemade pizza puffs. Here they're out of the oven and they look so delicious. Today we made some Little Caesars pizza puffs. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.